Yes.
Let's solve the problem. Those you can solve them. Yeah.
So the same. The sum of two numbers is 24.
Yes, sir.
The difference of this number is 12. What are the two numbers?
Come on.
Simple and straightforward. You understand, sir? Now, look at this one here. The sum of what? Now, when it says sum in mathematics, it means we have to add, right?
Yes, sir.
Sum of two numbers. You know the numbers here? You know. You let. You can let any number. It can be X and Y. It can be P and Q. It can be M and N. It can be alpha and beta. Whatever the case may be.
Okay.
Are we okay?
It can be B and A, sir.
Any A and B.
Even C and B.
Of course. Let what are we to use now? X. Let X and what? Let the number be here.
Yeah.
Let the number be. Let the number. The numbers NUM. Numbers be X and Y. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Good. But what's happened now? The sum of these numbers, what are they? What's the value? That means X here plus Y is now equal to what?
24.
24, eh? Good. Call this equation 1. Next, what do we have?
You say the difference of these numbers is
The difference of this number. Difference in mathematics means we have to subtract, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we now say X here minus what? Y is now equal to what? Huh?
24.
24 is again?
No, 12.
12, eh?
The difference is 12.
Now we have what? We have equation what? Equation 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, look at this man. The coefficient is equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
These guys, they are the same. If you apply the previous method here, if at all the guys are not the same, right? And you want to eliminate. Now, what do we have here? I will just go straight to the point. You have the book. Same sign, what do we have? Look at the sign here. If you want to eliminate Y, the sign here is what is different, right?
Yes, sir.
But when you want to eliminate X here, look at this one. If you want to eliminate X here, the signs are different, sir. Huh?
No.
No, they're the same, right? Same sign, what do we do? We subtract, right? So therefore, what happens now? Here, the signs are the same. So what do? We subtract here. Good. So what happens now? X minus X here. What do you have?
0.
This and this we cancel, right? And Y here minus Y. What do you have here?
Plus Y minus Y. 0.
Plus Y is what?
0.
Yeah, is what?
0.
No, sir.
Okay, sorry. 2Y.
Yeah. No, sir.
2Y.
Minus X minus gives you what?
Plus.
Plus. Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we have what? We have positive 2Y equal 24. This is what negative, right? What do you have now?
12.
12, eh? So therefore, to find the value of this number here, what do we do? Divide both sides by 2, eh? And the Y here is now equal to what?
6.
Are we okay? Now, take a look at the equation. Which one are we to take? Huh?
Equation 1.
Equation 1. From equation 1, eh? We say from 1 here, we have what? We have X plus Y is now equal 24, eh? And now we have what? We have X and we know the value of Y, which is 6, eh? Equal 24. So therefore, X here is now equal to 24 minus what? Minus 6, eh? So X now is equal, and 18. What do we have here?
18.
We have 18. So therefore, the two numbers are what? 18 and what? And 6.
16 and 6.
So when you substitute the value here, 18 plus 6, what do you have?
24.
24. Alright? And 18 minus 6, what do you have? Are we okay?
Yeah.
Good. Let me just use the substitution method to solve this one again. Let me just use the substitution method.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
So we have what?
What is it?
X plus Y is now equal to what? 24, eh? Now we have what? We have X minus Y is equal to what?
What is it?
12, eh?
Yeah.
So, from this point here, make any of these the subject.
Yeah.
We now say X here from 1. X is now equal 24 minus Y. Is that also, sir? We can call this equation 3. Now we have what? We have X from equation 2 now. We say we have X, right? But what's the value of X now? 24 minus Y. Now we have what? We have minus Y again, eh? Yeah. Equal what? 12. Is that also, sir? Is this one okay here? Yeah. Now, 24 here minus Y. Is that also, sir? Yeah. Good. Now we have what? 24 here, minus times minus here, what do you have? Plus, right? But we have what? Minus what? 2Y here is now equal 12, eh? We want to find the value of first of y. So what do we do now? We can also this is 24 minus 12 here must be equal to transposition becomes what? Positive 2y. And 24 here minus 12. What is that? 4 minus 2, what is that?
12.
4 minus 2, what do you have?
4 minus 12 is 12.
24 minus 12, what is that? 12, right? Good. This one is equal to what? 2y. So find the value of y by both sides by what? By 2. This and this cancel. And y here is now equal to what? 6. We end up having the same answer. Are we okay? Take another equation, substitute to work is another equation again. What's that? Look at equation 3. From 3 here we have what? We have x is equal to what? 24 minus y. What is y? 6. When you subtract, you have the same answer. Are we okay? Now the sum of the two numbers, yeah.
60.
Now let the numbers be. This time I will say what? M and N. Yes, sir. The sum of two numbers is what?
60.
Now M here plus what? Plus N is now equal 60, right? Call this equation 1.
And the difference is 3 times the first number. And
Look at
the second
difference means what? We have to subtract, right?
Yes.
But 3 times what?
the first number.
First number. What's the first number here?
M.
Now 3 times M gives you what?
Yeah.
3M. And here, are we going to take a step now? It's what? What do you have? It's
Then-
what?
Then they say, and the second is 40.
It's 40. This one is equation what? Equation 2, right?
Yeah, they say find the numbers.
Find the numbers. So we have to find the numbers, right? Now you can use elimination method. Well, let me use substitution method for now, right? From equation 1. Start by saying form 1. Form 1, what do you have? Make n the subject, right? Or you make m the subject. Which one do you want me to make the subject? N. So therefore we can say n here is now equal. What do you have over here? 60, right? Because we have m here and this m is positive, going over becomes what now? Negative, right? Let's say minus what? Minus m, eh?
Yeah.
Call this equation what? Equation 3. Are we getting the concept here? Good. Now, take equation 3 and substitute into what? Into equation 2. Are we okay? So we go. We now see this is what? 3m minus n. Already we have a value for n, right? And what is that? 60 here minus what? Minus n. Are we okay? Good. So therefore, let me just put this one into brackets. Why? Because the sign here is negative, right? And the sign here is also negative. So what you must do here, put them into brackets. So that you can multiply, right? But the sign there are the same. Why? This is negative and this is negative. But let's assume it was plus. Here is plus and here is plus. Just leave it as it is. Are we okay? So we go. This man is equal to what? 40. You come again and say, well, this is 3m here. Plus times minus here. What is that? Now we have what? We have minus what? Minus 60, right? And minus times minus gives you plus, eh? Plus what? Plus m here, we have what? We have 40. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, let's collect like times now. You have 3m here and then you have m. What is that now? You get 4m here. Next, we have equal sign here. We have 40. And this is negative 60. Going over becomes what? Positive now, right? We have what? Plus what? Plus 60. So we have 4m here is now equal to what we have here now? 100, right? Good. So divide both sides by what?
4.
By 4 and here by what? By 4. So m here is now equal 100 divided by 4. What is that? What's that?
It's 40. 40.
Huh?
25.
Okay, so it's 25, right?
Yes, sir.
1 divided by 4 is what is 25. Next, all you want is n, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
n here is now equal 60 here minus what? Minus m. What is m now?
It's 25.
N is now equal to what do you have now?
N is 35.
Now we have 35, eh?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, the two numbers are what? 35 and what? 25, right?
25, yeah.
That's all. Next problem.
The same.
We follow.
Oh,
Yeah?
X minus 2y
X minus 2y
minus 2z
minus 2z
equals 0.
equals 0. Yes?
2x plus 3y
2x plus 3y
plus z
plus z
equal 1.
equal 1.
And then x, you say 3x
Now you have 3x
minus y
minus y
minus 3z
minus 3z
equals to 3.
equal 3. So you can see now we have 3 equations, right?
Yeah.
And they are simple and straightforward. That was just
Yeah. No long problem.
So let's go, right? So looking at equation 1 here. Say for 1,
Yes,
So
sir.
now what x here is now equal to, oh my, what we have 0,
Yes, sir.
So transpose everything. So we now have what? 2y. That's what we have. We have minus 2z, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have what? We have plus 2z now. Call this equation what? Equation 4 now. We have three
Four,
equations. This is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 4. Are we right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, looking at this guy here, equation 2 now. What do you have for equation 2? You have 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So when we have the value of x now, I will come down and substitute the value of x into equation 2. Are we okay, sir?
Yeah.
Simple and straightforward, right? I am using what the substitution method. So we have what? We have 2x. But what is the value of x now? It's 2y here
Plus 2z.
plus 2z plus next what we have 3y
Yes, sir.
plus z here is equal to what? 1. Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
Now we multiply now. 2 times 2 what we have?
4y.
We have 4y plus 2 times 2 again.
2x.
We have
4x.
4x here plus 3y plus z is now
Plus
equal 1. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Let's collect like terms now. Now what do you have here?
4y.
Sorry. What do you have here? Here is z, eh?
Yes, sir.
So here we have what? We have z.
Yes.
So here is also what? Z, eh?
Yes, 4z.
Good. So therefore collect like terms. 4y plus 3y. What is that?
7y.
We have 7y plus 4z plus z. What is that?
5z.
We now have what? 5z
Z.
equal what?
1.
What, eh? Call this equation what?
5.
Equation 5. The target here is for you to have what? For you to have 2 unknown.
2 unknowns.
Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
So we go. Now take this same equation 3 here and so equation 4 and substitute into what? Into equation 3.
Equation.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
There we go. We say this is 3 into x, but we already know the value of x, right?
Yes, sir.
2y plus 2z.
2z.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now minus y minus
3z.
z is now equal
3.
3. 3 times 2, what do you have?
6y.
6y plus 3 times 2 again.
6z.
6z minus y minus 3 z equal
3.
3. Now, let us collect like time again.
Yes, sir.
6 minus y,
5y.
what's that?
5y.
We now have what? 5y.
Mm-hmm.
Next you have 6z minus 3z, and what is that?
It's 3z.
Plus 3z. Must be equal what? 3, eh? Call this equation what?
6.
Equation 6. Now if you look at the equation now here, equation 5 and equation 6 here, they all have what? Both of them have what? 2 unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
And what are the unknown here? X and what? Sorry, y and z, y and what? And z. So it means now we have arrived at our previous system, right? What's that? What was the system? 2 unknown, right?
2 unknown.
Good. So therefore, take equation 5 and equation 6. Solve them simultaneously now.
Yes, sir.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
You now have what? 7y
Yeah.
plus 5z equal 1, eh? And here we have what? We have 5y plus what? Plus 3z equal 3. But if you observe here, let us use elimination method here. Now, for you to use elimination method here, it means you must get rid of one of the variable, right? Either either y or z. So that's right. Which of you want me to get rid of here?
Y?
Y. But this guy and this guy are they the same?
No.
No. Let's not make them the same, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can you obtain that from here? So here, draw this man, your box, and here what do you have here? 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Just assume that here cross multiply here.
Yeah.
Here is 5, multiply by what? By 5.
Yeah.
Okay? Here is 7, multiply by what? By 7. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's multiply. 5 times 7, what do you have?
35y.
You have 35y plus 5 times 5, what is that?
25z.
25z